Welcome. This is Mohammed Azim, certified Elliott Wave analyst. Hello traders. Today is Wednesday, August 29, 2018. Current time is 6:19 a.m. London time. And in my judgment, we have a possible sell trade setup in 15 minutes time frame of Aussie dollar versus US dollar. This is a spot forex currency pair. Let me now open a sell trade, go to new order. Now I must place a stop loss and take profit level as well. I'm going to take a sell at 0.7329 and I will also place a stop loss at 0.7339. 0.7339. Okay, so I just took a sell. I must mention that I am doing short-term trading in 15 minutes chart of Australian dollar versus US dollar spot forex currency pair. Day trading the forex market means you go in and out of the market during the same trading day. Let me now calculate possible take profit level. Based on these calculations, I think we're going to target 0.7299. Let me add the take profit. Go to modify. 0.7299. Modify. Okay. Risk is 11 pips and reward is 29 pips. Risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2.6. So this means the risk is 1 and the reward is 2.6. I am now going to pause the video and I will come back as soon as we see more price action. Okay, I'm back now after a few minutes time and it seems to me minute wave 3 extended 1, 2 and 3. So I expect further weakness in price action. I'm now going to pause the video and I will come back as soon as I get more price action. Okay, I'm back now after a few minutes time and it seems to me market almost reached my take profit level. The price action needs to go through the 0.7299 and then brokerage firm will automatically execute my take profit level. So it's almost there. Target hit, profit booked, I'm out of the market. Let me go to the trading account history. This was the trade right over here. Sell entry in AUD USD currency pair. So I have made 29 pips profit. Here's my trading account history. So if I can make money using Elliott wave trade setup, then anyone could copy my forex trading success. Do what I do, follow my trades and make money in the forex market. Subscribe to my free forex education YouTube channel. Also press bell icon so you never miss any new video update.